equal to VLOOKUP tab. What we want a minimum value. So we will take a min function here, min tab. Okay, so what minimum के लिए रेंज देना है हमें, करेक्ट. सो कहां से हमें मिनिमम फाइंड आउट करना है. सपोज वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट अ मिनिमम मार्क्स ऑफ मैथ्स. सो वी विल गिव द रेंज फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर. Okay, so here single array value only work, not the whole table. Okay, so minimum value यहाँ से निकल आएगी, that is your VLOOKUP value. Correct. Now VLOOKUP का formula हमें complete करना है. We want to complete this VLOOKUP formula. So comma, what is the next? Here they want a table array. Now here table is not working, that's why we will give the same array, same column as a table array, because this is only our table. पूरा टेबल हमें देना ही नहीं है. Okay, then comma. What is the next? It is asking us for column index number. So if this column is work as a single table, then what should be the column index number? Anybody? Yes? Yes, student?
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question again? I missed in between due to this connectivity issue.
I'll repeat it.
Yes.
See here, I have given a VLOOKUP formula here for minimum value from the math subject. Correct? So, if what I have took here, I took the range, I select the range for minimum function, that is a only maths column. Correct? Again, after comma, here table array we want. In table array also I have given a maths column only, because we know that we want to find out a minimum from maths only. That's why whole table we will not select. This minimum function will work only for a single array. Correct? So as our table is also a column, then what should be the column index number? कॉलम इंडेक्स नंबर आपको पता है क्या? ऊपर जो हम दे रहे, दिस इज 1 2 3 4 5, दिस इज कॉलम इंडेक्स नंबर. Here 1 2 3 4, like this is row index number. So what should be the column index number here? Yes? No? No one? VLOOKUP का फॉर्मूला याद है क्या सभी को? You forgot that only. Yes?
All the columns will take.
All the columns. I
Or
want
okay,
the
first,
index
second.
number means it is digit, single digit, 1 2 3 or 4. Not getting? Yesterday we used this column index number. आपको कौन से कॉलम में सर्च करना है, दैट वी यूज ना 2 3. सपोज मैथ से तो हम 2 इंडेक्स लिखते थे, साइंस से तो 3 इंडेक्स लिखते थे, फिजिक्स से तो 4 इंडेक्स.
Yes, ma'am. For math subject, 2 index.
Yes, it is a 2 index, but again I repeat, that is a mistake you made always. Math subject has here 2 index when whole table is our array, table array. Now we are giving a table array as a single column maths. So that table has only one column. That's why you will give a table index as a 1 only. What? You will give a 1. Correct? And the last thing, that is true or false. If false, exact match, 0 we will write. If true, we will write 1, approximate match. I'll put 0, bracket complete, enter. क्या दिया इसने? 45. So is it true? मैथ्स में सबसे कम मार्क किसी कौन से है? Yes, 45. उसके बिलो नहीं है, 45 ही मिनिमम मार्क्स है. करेक्ट? गॉट इट? समझ में आ रहा है क्या स्टूडेंट? If I select the table array as a whole table, that time you can say इंडेक्स कहाँ से शुरू होती है? जहां से आपका टेबल, जो भी टेबल है पूरे टेबल के लिए इंडेक्स होती है. 1 2 3 4 5 कॉलम्स के लिए. करेक्ट? क्योंकि पूरा टेबल है. इफ आई एम यूजिंग दिस मैथ्स इज ओनली वन टेबल एज अ टेबल. करेक्ट? टेबल एरे में भी हमने क्या दिया? मैथ्स ही दिया. बिकॉज वी नो वी वांट मिनिमम फ्रॉम मैथ्स. तो व्हाई शुड वी टेक द साइंस, फिजिक्स एंड केमिस्ट्री? नो नीड टू टेक द टेबल. करेक्ट? दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज ओनली माय टेबल. जो सेलेक्ट किया उतना ही मेरा टेबल है. आप कितना भी बिग डेटा से जितना चाहिए उतना सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो. If this is my table array, then here it has only one index. एक ही कॉलम है उस टेबल में, तो एक ही आएगी उसकी इंडेक्स. इफ टेबल में 2 कॉलम होते ये, तो 1 और 2. करेक्ट? यस?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? So same thing is for maximum. We will find out the maximum. So what will be the formula? Is equal to VLOOKUP. We'll take here the max function. Okay? Inbuilt function max. Max के लिए क्या चाहिए? Range चाहिए. So we will find out the max from suppose science. So science को select करो. Science के column को select करो. Okay? So I'll select the science. So this range we have given for max function only. We complete this max function. Okay? Put the bracket, comma. Now next attributes are for VLOOKUP function. First only attribute we have given lookup value. क्या दी? lookup value max from D7 to D31. Next is table array. Now table array के लिए मैं पूरा ये table select ही नहीं कर रही हूँ. What table I am giving? Because I know I want max from science. So why to waste time? So I give the same column as a table array. Okay? Then comma. Now एक ही टेबल है तो इंडेक्स एक ही होगी. 2 टेबल है तो एक और 2 इंडेक्स आती है. 2 कॉलम है, सॉरी, एक ही कॉलम है तो एक ही इंडेक्स. ओके? कॉमा 0 ब्रैकेट कंप्लीट, एंटर. दिया साइंस का मैक्स दिया 85. करेक्ट? 85 मैक्स है साइंस के लिए. करेक्ट? सो दिस इज द VLOOKUP for smallest value, VLOOKUP for largest value. Okay? Next is the HLOOKUP. What is the meaning of HLOOKUP? Yes? HLOOKUP means horizontal lookup. See here, अभी हम जो functions लगा रहे हैं, they on the back end, they have a process how to run this function. So in VLOOKUP, what happened? If you will put, suppose here is your VLOOKUP formula. Okay, what is formula? VLOOKUP. Here you are giving a lookup value. So lookup value जो है वो आप vertically दे रहे हैं. Correct? Vertically आप name दे रहे थे. कल हमने देखा. We use this what? Godse Tejam. Then Dorle Aditya, Aude Shreyash, like such. Vertically data search कर रहे थे पहले. So what Excel do? If you will give the value, lookup value here, it will come first vertically in this column. It will search that lookup value, suppose Godse Tejam. Then horizontally it will give index wise. जो index दिया है, index maths का है, science का है या फिर physics का है. Whatever the index it search, according to that it gives us a value. Correct? So vertically first it find out, then go horizontally. That is called VLOOKUP. HLOOKUP क्या करेगा? HLOOKUP will go horizontally first. Means what? Suppose you in HLOOKUP you will use a lookup value as a math subject, science, physics or chemistry, not by the name. Okay, and in a name you will provide a row index. अब तक हम कॉलम इंडेक्स दे रहे थे, either 1 2 3 4 5. Now you will provide a row index. इसलिए मैंने row index भी दे रखी है. Row index कहाँ से शुरू होती है? Row index start from the heading. This is your heading, student name math. जैसे column index भी heading से शुरू हो गई, वैसे row index 1 2 3 4 these are the row index. Okay, so how we look up HLOOKUP works we will see here. Okay, suppose here you want the marks of maths. Okay, here you want the marks of math subject. Here are not name. यहाँ कोई name नहीं होगा. Here you want the marks of maths. Maths के marks आपको चाहिए. किसके चाहिए वो आप रो में देंगे. VLOOKUP कैसे वर्क करता है, we'll see that. Is equal to, sorry, not VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP is equal to HLOOKUP bracket. So what it want? Lookup value. अभी lookup value कैसे जानिए हमें? We want to go horizontally. So if you want the maths mark, already I have given here a maths subject name. So I will give a lookup value as a maths. H7. Okay, I select the cell, comma. Then what it asks? It asking a table array. Which table? The whole table you want to select. The whole table we will select. Okay, whole table. Next, table हो गया. Then table row index. It is asking for a row index. So what is a row index? किसके लिए हमें सर्च करना है? मैथ्स के मार्क. For whom? Suppose we want to search a maths mark for Mehta Shivansh. So what is a row index for Mehta Shivansh? It is a 11. Correct? Here row index. So we will provide here row index as a 11, comma, true or false? False 0. Bracket complete, enter. So what it gives? It gives us a maths mark for whom? For Mehta Shivansh. Is it correct or not? We will check. 11 row, 55. Correct? 55. So how we find out it? We find out it with the HLOOKUP formula. What is formula? See in address bar. Formula bar is there. What is formula? HLOOKUP, lookup value, table array, row index. This 11 is nothing but the row index. Correct? Instead of column index, in HLOOKUP, we will use a row index. Got it, student? Yes? Student got it?
Yes,
Student
ma'am.
got it?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am, got it.
Okay. Okay. So next we will see. Do you want to do practice on this, student? Minimum, maximum and HLOOKUP.
Yes, ma'am. Just noting it down.
Okay. Okay. Note down it. If you want formula, I can show you again. this minimum formula. What is formula for minimum? See here. In formula bar, there is formula. Do practice.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So we completed here VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP and lookup also. The next interesting thing we are going to see today, that is hyperlink. What we are going to see today? We are going to see today hyperlink. Anybody know the meaning of hyperlink? Yes, students.
यस मैम, कोई भी लिंक को हाइपर लिंक लगा सकते हैं हम ऐसा टेस्ट केसेस के लिए यूज करते हैं
Yeah,
ऑफिस में.
yeah, correct. Use करते हैं ना?
यस.
Very good. So those who don't know, they can see this hyperlink. Hyperlink means if you will click on these things, any cell, any words, it will give you a link to that atom, that sheet or that file or that document, that web page, like such. Correct? See, suppose I will click on this sheet 1. What happened? Students, see. As soon as click on sheet 1, क्या हुआ? Sheet 1 open हुआ मेरा. See here, this is sheet 1. Correct? If I'll click on sheet 2, my sheet 2 get open. Sheet 2 में ये data है. Correct? If I will click on this new file, my new workbook is open. Excel 2021 names workbook is there. Correct? If I'll click on this Google, then you will directly go for Google web page. So Google web page has opened. आपको Google का पेज दिख रहा है क्या? Yes?
नो
क्योंकि
मैम.
मैंने एक
No,
ही
ma'am.
फाइल शेयर की.
No,
नो
ma'am.
ना? हाँ, एक ही फाइल शेयर की है मैंने. That's why. सिर्फ वर्कबुक शेयर है. So this is called as a hyperlink. Means you can give a link from Excel to other file. So that file may be the any Excel sheet, or that file may be the wait a students, Google open. That file may be the any sheet, that file may be the any workbook, that file may be the any word file, any PowerPoint file, or that may be any video also. Anything you can open using this hyperlink. So how to provide this hyperlink, I will tell you. Suppose, see here, Suppose I will give here name sheet sheet 4 suppose. Okay, and here it is a sheet 2, sheet 3 नहीं हुआ है अभी तक 3. Okay, here it is a sheet 3. Now if I will click on sheet 4, automatically my cursor should go in this sheet 4. So how it can be said? So go on this sheet 4. Student दिख रहा है क्या? Should I maximize it? Okay. Suppose I want to give hyperlink for this sheet 4. जैसे ही मैं sheet 4 पे click करूँ, sheet 4 open होना चाहिए. So what to do? Go on this sheet 4. Right click here. Right click with mouse or keyboard mouse. Okay. Then go into hyperlink. One dialog box open. Okay. So in these there are different tabs. Existing file or web page, place in this document, create new document, email address, like such things are there. So what we want place in this document. Correct? We will click here. As soon as I click place in this document, I can see, means I want to search in this document only. जो मेरी ये what worksheet open है MBA नाम की, in that document only I want to move, I want to link. So where you want to link? When I click on sheet 4, it should go on to this sheet 4. I will select the sheet 4. Correct? So in reference sheet 4, I choose and I click on OK. So what happened? As soon as I provide a link, hyperlink, its colors get changed and mouse pointer also get changed. There is a hand mouse pointer. Hand mouse pointer is always come when there is a link with this document. So if I'll click on this sheet 4, I will go into sheet 4. See here, sheet 4 get open. Correct? I was in this tab, hyperlink tab में थी मैं अभी sheet 4 पे अगर click कर रही हूँ तो कौन सा sheet open हो रहा है? Sheet 4. Okay? I'll repeat it for the sheet 3. Right click here, go into the hyperlink, then click on place in this document. इसमें आपको कौन से document को click करना है? Sheet 3 open होनी चाहिए. That's why I click on sheet 3 and say OK. See here, its color also get changed and mouse pointer also get changed. If I'll click here, my sheet 3 get opened. See here, this is the sheet 3 and sheet 3 data I can see. Okay. So whenever you want to give a reference, you can use this link. Suppose आपने किसी कंपनी का डेटा प्रिपेयर किया है, सेल का रिकॉर्ड है, लेकिन उसके लिए सपोर्टिव कुछ फाइल है या फिर कुछ चार्ट है या फिर कुछ पिक्चर है, कुछ वीडियोस है, that time you can provide, just give one button and their hyperlink. If anybody want to see, then he can click on this link and check the details also about that record. So this is a use of hyperlink. Okay. Next, hyperlink you can use for a new file also. New file means what? Suppose you want to open a new file. So I'll type here new file. Not this workbook mba.xls, new file. I want the new workbook or new file. Sorry. So how I can give here link? Right click, hyperlink, then create new document. Click on create new document. Okay. Here they are asking you a name of the new document, but where it will go? It will it is providing you a path. पाथ क्या दिया है उसने, c:/users/yogita-raskar/documents. सो कहाँ पे सेव हो रही है, जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स है उसमें मेरी ये फाइल सेव हो रही है. और यू कैन चेंज द पाथ फ्रॉम हियर. आपने कुछ फोल्डर बनाया तो उसमें भी आप कर सकते. सपोज आई विल गिव द फाइल नेम एज अ टेम्पररी फाइल, टेम्प. ओके, टेम्प फाइल मैंने इसको नाम दिया और ओके किया. तो टेम्पररी कौन सी फाइल क्रिएट हो गई, XLS की ही. सी हियर, temp.xlsx, एक्सेल की ही टेम्पररी फाइल क्रिएट होगी. वट एवर नेम यू वॉन्ट यू कैन गिव. ओके, सो नाउ आई विल क्लोज दिस फाइल. क्रिएट हो गई, आई विल क्लोज. If I will click on this new file, which file will open? See here, this temporary file get opened. So here you can use a Word file also, PowerPoint file also, or any other file. Got it, student? So new file के लिए आपको क्या करना है, right click, hyperlink, okay, then create new file, and you have to give a path for that file. Okay. Now how to go in web page, like जैसे अभी मैंने आपको Google page दिखाया. So you can go into the web page also. Suppose on Google also, Google you want to go, I'll type here Google. Okay, right click, go into the hyperlink, then existing file or web page, click here. Okay, so in this address bar you will give address of Google web page. What is address? www.google, see here, automatically it come, google.co.in. so if I provide the address and say okay, see here link आ गई, माउस पॉइंटर चेंज हो गया. इफ आई क्लिक हियर, आपका इंटरनेट अगर शुरू है तो आप डायरेक्टली गूगल वेब पेज के लिए जा सकते हैं. अभी मैंने सिर्फ एक्सेल की फाइल शेयर की इसलिए आपको दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. ओके, इट गेट ओपन द गूगल वेब पेज. ओके, गॉट इट, हाइपरलिंक.
Yes,
वन
ma'am.
मोर. यस स्टूडेंट,
Got it, ma'am.
ओके. सपोज अभी आप कुछ फाइल बना रहे हैं, आपको थोड़ा अट्रैक्टिव करना है आपका प्रेजेंटेशन, तो यू कैन यूज डिफरेंट शेप्स आल्सो. सपोज हियर शेप्स है इन इंसर्ट, देयर आर शेप्स. कोई भी शेप्स आपको जो पसंद है उसे एज अ बटन आप यूज कर सकते हैं. करेक्ट. सपोज आई विल टेक दिस एरो एज अ शेप हियर. ओके, ये मेरा बटन हो गया. आई कैन टाइप हियर इन दिस, आई कैन टाइप, सपोज आई विल टाइप हियर ओपन वीडियो. सो इस बटन का यूज क्या होगा, वीडियो ओपन हो जाएगा. इफ आई विल क्लिक ऑन दिस बटन, तो मुझे लिंक क्या करना है इस बटन को. यस, हाइपरलिंक में क्या लिंक करना है मुझे, यहाँ राइट क्लिक, गोइंग टू द हाइपरलिंक
hyperlink.
वीडियो. यस, सो वीडियो के लिए मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, ब्राउज करना पड़ेगा मेरे सभी फोल्डर्स. सपोज माय वीडियो इज इन F drive, E drive. ओके, okay, I'll select one video here and say okay. See here what happened, as soon as I click on this my video get open. वीडियो आपको दिखाई नहीं देगा क्योंकि मैंने शेयर नहीं किया है. करेक्ट. सो वीडियो ओपन हुआ है ऑलरेडी. as soon as I click on this my video get open. So anything, any shapes you can insert from here to do the attractive things. Correct. buttons use कर सकते as a buttons. So got this hyperlink, student?
Yes, ma'am.
Do 5 minutes practice on hyperlink. I am here only, you can ask me any difficulty. ऑल दीज टर्म्स के लिए आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी, शीट्स, न्यू फाइल, वेब पेज एंड दिस बटन. Okay, done, students?
Yes, ma'am.
No difficulty?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So shall I move toward next topic?
Yes, ma'am. we can.
The next topic is also very important topic, that is pivot tables. Do you know? Anybody know about this table? Yes, pivot table. Do you know? Yes. Anybody know about this table?
Yes, ma'am.
What
We
is this
use
pivot
it.
table? Used it?
Yes.
Okay. So what is use of pivot table?
We can get the numbers according to the year. It's in a tabular format.
Tabular format में.
Accounts.
But already this data is there, no, in tabular format. Then
Counts.
what is use?
Counts of that particular data is shown.
Counts.
Like
Okay. Okay. Suppose you have a very much big data with you. I have created some data as an example for you, that here are years, name, some person names are there, months are there, and here is a sale. Okay. So if there are year is 2001, 2002, 3, 4, like such. Suppose in 2001, these persons, Anil, Arya, Jay, Minal, Sunil, Surbhi, Raju, they are doing this much sale in year 2001 in January month. Okay, in January month, they had done this much sale. XYZ product is there and they have done the sale of product this much. Okay, suppose in year 2002, again in year 2002, same persons do a sale in month of February. अभी ऐसा नहीं है कि मंथ 2002 में सिर्फ फरवरी में कर रहे, दे आर डूइंग इन 2001 आल्सो, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल में अप टू 12 मंथ्स. एज एन एग्जांपल मैंने ये सिर्फ जनवरी लिया है 2001 का, क्योंकि बहुत बड़ा डेटा हो जाएगा, उसे एंट्री करने में ही टाइम जाएगा, दैट्स व्हाई. ओके, सपोज इन 2002 में उन्होंने सेम पर्सन ने फरवरी में ये सेल किया. ओके, इन 2003 in month of March they have done the this much sale, same persons. In 2004 they are doing this much sale. Okay, in 2004 in month of April they had done this much sale. Like such data I have, very large data up to 12 months. Suppose अभी मैंने मई तक ही लिया है, only 5 months I have taken. Suppose there are 12 months. Now from this big data, suppose I want the sale of Anil for all the years. What I want? I want how much sale the Anil has done from 2001 to 2005. कैसे निकालना है? कोई फॉर्मूला यहाँ काम नहीं करेगा. सो एनालिसिस ऑफ डेटा, अभी हमने एनालिसिस देखा है, डेटा वैलिड व्हाट दैट कंसोलिडेशन डेटा में देखा, या फिर डेटा वैलिडेशन में देखा, लुकअप में हमने फाइंड आउट किया लुकअप की वैल्यू. बट सच टाइप ऑफ डेटा कैन यू लुकअप? नो. मुझे क्या चाहिए? सिर्फ अनिल का. सपोज आई वांट द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी's डेटा फॉर year 2001. Then how I can get? Or I want that for all the persons for 12 months record, from January to December, for all person, how much sale they have done. How to find out this type of data from this big data? So no formula, no functions, no lookup, no VLOOKUP, nobody will work here. So here we require a pivot table only. So Excel has given an inbuilt table for this purpose of analysis. Correct? So how we can insert a pivot table in our data We'll see it. See carefully. First, we have to select all our data with its heading. हेडिंग क्या है? हेडिंग इंपॉर्टेंट है. विदाउट हेडिंग आपको सेलेक्ट करना नहीं है. यू विल सेलेक्ट इट विथ हेडिंग. So year, name, months and sale, the whole data I have selected. Okay. Now click on this insert tab. Here is insert tab. Click on insert tab. In insert tab, there is a pivot table. Click on pivot table. Okay. So already the range is there. I have selected the table, that's why range come here automatically. Select the table range. What is first option? We have selected. So here it is in black, the table range is there. Okay. The next thing that choose where you want a pivot report. रिपोर्ट कहाँ चाहिए आपको? इन न्यू वर्कशीट और जो अभी चल रही एग्जिस्टिंग वर्कशीट. So first time we'll see in existing worksheet only. So I'll choose the existing worksheet. अभी जो चल रहा है उधर ही मुझे report चाहिए. Okay. So location. Now it's asking us a location. So location कहाँ पे चाहिए आपको? Any, click on any cell. Suppose I'll click on this cell. It is the location. यहाँ पे वो table आ जाएगा. Okay. So automatically your location goes this cell number. Okay, G7. Now click on OK. As soon as I click on OK, the pivot table get inserted in your document. Correct? Just a minute, student. Okay, sorry student, there is some of noise in my house. That's why I mute it. Okay, as soon as we click on this pivot table get inserted. So on the right hand side, you will see here pivot table field list. So आपको जो report बनाना है, what the attributes or what are the atoms you want in the report. So suppose I select here year, I want year and I want sale. क्या हुआ? यहाँ टेबल आ गई, sum of year and sum of sale आ गई. So as soon as I click here, the table is get inserted here. So do you want a sum of year? No. Year की क्यों sum करनी है? Sum of sale ठीक है. 2001 की 1 2 3 4 5 6 लोग हैं तो उनकी sum करनी है year की. But you don't want to sum of year, तो ये क्यों आया? You don't want na this, correct? So see here in this dialog box on the downside there are 4 rectangles. Look here. दिख रहे सबको rectangles? 4 rectangles. Yes, student?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in first rectangle, there is a report filter. In second one, column label. Here, row label and here values are there. Okay. Now, जो भी values column है, values की जो rectangle है, इसमें we don't want sum of year. तो sum of year नहीं, year कहाँ डिस्प्ले होने चाहिए? रो वाइज डिस्प्ले करो, ऐसे हमें बताना है उसको. So we will take this sum of year with the help of mouse. Click and drag it and leave it into the row label. As soon as I drag it into the row label, what happened? उसकी जो sum थी values यहाँ, वो sum नहीं हुई, सिर्फ मुझे display चाहिए उसका year का. So here the year get displayed. Here what happened? 2001, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the sum of the sale here and the grand total of sale is there. Okay, suppose you want these years in column. These are in rows, no? Row 8, 9, 10, 11. You want this year into the column, then what to do? Just drag this year from here into the column labels. क्या हुआ? Report कैसा आया? Column wise. Column wise years are there. 2001, 2, 3, 4, 5. Their sale sum and grand total is there. कितना इजी है, फटाफट हो रहा है ना. तो रिपोर्ट जनरेशन के लिए पाइवोट टेबल का यूज हो रहा है एंड within 1 second you can create any report. Suppose your manager, if you are working, your manager asks you, give me the 2021's report in 5 minutes. So you can give, you have data with you, you can use this pivot table and you can give a report within 1 to 2 seconds. Correct? Now I want that name should also display. So I'll click on name. तो क्या हुआ? नेम भी डिस्प्ले हो गए. See here. Here name also get display year wise. So all these persons, Anil, Arya, Jay, Minal, Raju, Sunil, Surbhi, 2001 sale is there and their grand total is there. Then 2002's sale for Anil, Arya, Jay, Minal, like such. Okay, are you getting this? You can minimize it. आपको नहीं चाहिए तो जैसे हमें consolidated data में देखा, you can minimize it. Click on this minimum. Okay, suppose you want to say all the names, just click on 2001 में आर्या का कितना हुआ, जय का कितना, मिनल का कितना हुआ, like such. Because I select the name. If I'll select the months, what happened? Again months wise calculations are there. For Anil, January months. For Arya, January months. Like such. Okay. So this is the use of what? Pivot table. Now I'll deselect the. Here are only names and sum. Or you can give only years and sale. You don't want sum of year. Okay. Now, suppose I want to display the name of all this person in list. So I just choose from the list anybody's name and their report should be displayed. So I will use a filter here. So if I'll click on name, okay, then I will took this name and drag into report. क्या हुआ? फिल्टर में मैंने ड्रैग किया नेम को. What change? See here, there are names in filter. So filter use here is a list of name. So you can select from here. Suppose I want Anil and Jay's report only. You can select multiple. I want Anil and Jay's report only. I'll choose the Anil and Jay and say okay. See here. What happened? Only Anil and Jay's report comes here. Okay. Suppose I want only Arya's report. I'll choose it and say okay. Only Arya's report will come. This is only Arya's report for all the years. Got it? So this is a use of pivot table. So आपको सब पता चले. This rectangle filter use कर सकते या कोई भी. Column for columns, row for row label, and values are here. You can use any what average also you can use a sum also, anything you can use. Okay, here you can use a function. How to remove this pivot table? क्या ऐसे डायरेक्ट सिलेक्ट करके हम डिलीट कर सकते हैं क्या पाइवोट टेबल? सपोज आई विल सेलेक्ट इट एंड press the delete key, can it will delete? No, it will not delete. So for deleting a pivot table, there is one method. You should click on any cell of the pivot table. Okay, then there is a pivot table tool. See here on title bar, there is a pivot table tool. In that tool, click on options. In options, you will click on select. What? Select entire pivot table. तो जब तक हम ऐसा select नहीं करते तब तक delete नहीं होगा. Now you will click a delete key from the keyboard, then pivot table will get deleted. Got it, student? Yes, student?
Ma'am.
Okay. So do 5 minutes practice on this pivot table. Create some of the data like such and do 5 minutes practice. I am here only. You can ask me any difficulty. done. Any difficulty? Yes, student. Shall I stop the session? Okay, good night, students.